A guy walks up to a bar and asks the bartender, how much for a beer? The bartender says, it's free. The guy is really happy and says, okay, how much for a sirloin, some mashed potatoes, a salad, and an entire cheesecake for dessert? The bartender says, $1. The guy says, okay, I'll take it all, and the bartender gives him his food. After he's done eating, he says, wow, this place is amazing. I'd like to meet the owner. The bartender says, oh, he's upstairs in the office with my wife. The guy gets confused and says, what's he doing upstairs in the office with your wife? The bartender smiles and says, the same thing I'm doing to his business.